Hello guys, welcome back. Today is January 10th and today is greenhouse repair day. Alright, so the box is sitting right over there. It's a complete greenhouse kit, so new cover, new pipes, everything. So we are only going to be replacing the bad pipes on this greenhouse. Kind of wondering if I should just take it totally apart and totally rebuild a new one. But we'll go through and see. We may end up just replacing a ton of pipes, but most of them I think are still sound. Maybe. So yeah, we're gonna get this replaced so that we can I'm gonna put the vertical supports down the middle that I'm gonna modify to go up to the peak, and then we can fill this thing up with rabbits and chickens and hopefully start making some money with this thing in about a month or two. I'd like to put chickens in it as soon as possible, so let's see if we can do that. Alright, that is the first support done. It has taken a long time, but the last thing we gotta do here is once we get the second one up, we gotta put the pipe down the peak straight in there. So the ends are probably gonna be the hardest one, so I think what I'm gonna do is skip right over to the other end and get all the hard stuff done, get both ends done today. And if I can't finish up tonight, then I'll be able to do all the easy stuff tomorrow. I did end up replacing, yeah, I replaced both bottom pipes on this one because that little spring thing down there was broke, so that wasn't gonna work. These 3 pipes are original, and these 2 pipes are original, and I think the rest of the bottom pipes are good. We won't know till we get over there to the other end, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. Taking a while. I'm replacing probably all of these horizontal pipes going that way, because this side is where it folded in and it was flat on the ground, so all of these are probably bent, along with some of the verticals for the bottom. But this side's not too bad. You can keep, I think we can keep all the bottom verticals. It's just the curved piece and the top is what we got to replace. So yeah, let's go on to the other end and do that one. Alright, so that is basically this side done. I'm leaving these out because I'm replacing that one, but it's easier to do it once I come this way. So this one's gonna stay empty for now, along with that one and this one. But I gotta, this pipe, since these are Chinese pipes, they're not very good and it's not straight, so I gotta clamp this and get it to spread a little bit. And luckily, my tripod broke this morning and I have a big U-clamp on my tripod right now from the shop, so I'm gonna just take it off and use it right here. So you guys aren't gonna be able to see this because I gotta do it, and tripod won't stay together without this clamp. So be right back. Alright, there it is, nice and easy. Had to kind of pry it out because they were kind of curved in from whatever they cut this pipe with, so that's what happened there. And it's ready, just gotta slide a bolt in it for now, for temporary. And this end is done. And just answering a question if anybody wants to know, we are still drying corn right now. We thought it was going to be done about 1:30, 2 o'clock last night, but we got a sample taken this morning and it came back 16.5% still, so we got to run the bin for a while longer until it dries down to around 13 or 14. So just answering if any of you want to know. Alright guys, and that's the greenhouse complete. I think I'm going to wrap up the video there, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.